Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and today I'm bringing you a video on this 2019 Land Rover Discovery. We just installed the Rydeen BSS2 microwave radar blind spot kit, and the reason why I'm making this video, even though the install is not completed yet, I wanted to just bring to your attention a couple of special circumstances with this vehicle. Now, here in Canada, the Land Rover Discovery does not come with an option for factory blind spot detection. So this customer who bought this vehicle was quite in disbelief over that, and he wanted to basically come into us to have an aftermarket blind spot kit installed. When we went to attempt to do the install, we pulled the rear bumper apart, which is where the microwave sensors go. Lo and behold, there are factory microwave sensors there. So we figured maybe it had the option, maybe it wasn't activated. As it turns out, the factory microwave sensors are there for cross-traffic alerts. That presented a technical challenge though, because technically you're not supposed to put microwave sensors next to one another. Now, I have the bumper put back together, so I can't really show you, but I'm gonna show you on the outside of the bumper what exactly we're talking about. So Joel is here working. The factory microwave sensor is located right behind this panel underneath this light. Our blind spot sensor is located right behind here, so they're right next to one another. The other challenge is this vehicle is equipped with ultrasonic parking sensors. So you're gonna see there's one there, and then all along the edge of the bumper. So what did we do? Well, we called up Rydeen and we asked them the question, do you think it would work having two microwave sensors together? And what they said was it probably won't work, but you're more than welcome to test it. So that's exactly what we did. We temporarily installed the kit, we put it in the vehicle, we went for a road test, and sure enough, it worked perfect. So I'm just gonna briefly show you what is all entailed with this install. So we've got the sensors mounted behind the bumper, so no holes need to be drilled. They're mounted behind the bumpers there. All the circuitry for the kit is all installed actually behind the left-hand paneling. If I walk up to the front, the displays for the kit are basically right here. My guys, once they finish it, they're gonna angle them up towards the driver, so this is just a temporary install for now. You're gonna see basically the right-hand displays over there. And essentially the way the Rydeen kit works is when there's a vehicle approaching or overtaking the vehicle, the actual Land Rover, it will trigger the blind spot detection kit. So I know this video didn't actually show you how the kit worked. Unfortunately, like I said, the install is not finished. I have to leave for the day, so I wanted to get this video made. But if you or someone you know is interested in upgrading your Land Rover Discovery 2019, 2020, 2021 with a blind spot detection kit, it will work. We have the kit for it. The Rydeen BSS2 fits and it does install correctly. We'd love to hear from you. 1-866-824-4118. Visit us on the web, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. If you could, like our YouTube channel and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Thank you.